watermelon yogurt shake or watermelon yogurt smoothie or watermelon lassi. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the breakfast smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the yogurt recipes and one of the most delicious of the watermelon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the lassi recipes and one of the most unique of the watermelon smoothie recipes. We're going to make watermelon yogurt shake or watermelon lassi. We have taken around 150 to 200 grams of watermelon, peeled and cut into pieces. The watermelon pieces. Close. Now put in 3 spoons of sugar. Close and grind well. Pour in 200 ml of yogurt. Close. Put in pinch of salt. Close and blend well. Open. Now the watermelon yogurt shake is ready. Watermelon lassi is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Pour in the mixture into a glass. This is the final watermelon yogurt shake or watermelon yogurt smoothie or watermelon lassi. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the breakfast shake recipes and one of the most delicious of the lassi recipes and one of the most unique of the watermelon recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.